Hi, welcome back to your exercise class. So this is the 8th class in the entire series that we are doing. So obviously it makes a lot of fitting sense to focus this class on mode of labor preparation, making sure that you are doing a lot of pelvic work, core strengthening, breathing exercises, and so on and so forth, right? So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This workout is going to be a little bit more intense than the ones that you're probably used to. So it will be slightly shorter in duration, but it will give you a good workout in terms of preparing your body for labor and birth. So just as a very quick refresher, reminder, you need to make sure that you have your doctor's permission all along. I'm sure you do, since you are already doing this program with us. But if you feel any discomfort, if you feel any pain, cramps, etc., you should definitely stop and let your doctor know before you proceed. All right. So let's get started. We'll first warm up. March in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move those arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spread those legs. Keep moving the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And point. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. March again. Can you feel that heartbeat going up just a little bit? That's awesome. Are you getting breathless? That's not a great idea. If you're getting breathless, then just march a little slow. Take that deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale all the way to the lower abdomen. Exhale. Once again. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling a little settled? Perfect, because you're going to go again. So march and move those arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And what we're going to do is swing. And 2, 3, great for your shoulders, great for your chest, and adds a little bit of cardio. 7 and 8. And let's reverse this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And swing both together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's awesome. So march slowly, catch your breath, deep inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and one last time, inhale, exhale. That's perfect. All right. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to place your hands on your hips. Your feet are slightly apart, so they're hip distance apart. And what we're going to do is go on our tiptoes. So when you go up on your tiptoes, that's 1. And then you go down, make sure that you do not touch the heel to the ground. Right? Make sense? Let's try this together. Take it up and down. 2 and down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're going again. 8, 7, don't touch the heels to the floor. Feel the calf burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Wonderful. March a little bit, catch your breath. And we're going to repeat that tippy toe exercise one more time. Okay? Ready? Feet are hip distance apart. Hands on your hips. And let's go. Up and down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we have 8 more to go. 8, keep at it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and release. Don't those calves feel that they've been burnt? It's a really, really good exercise to ensure that there's good circulation happening in your legs and your calves, so that when you get those little cramps at night, it can help there as well. Okay? So now the next thing that we're going to do together is a little bit of balancing. Okay? So the first one is a good quad stretch. And all you're going to do is grab a hold of that foot, bring it close to your hip. So just bring it close to your hip and balance. If you feel that you're losing your balance, you can hold on to something, or you can be close to a chair or a table or a wall for support. Just hold it there, a few more counts. And switch. So take your time. Switch. And hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Okay? And hold it. So do you know that we actually are better balanced on one side of our body as compared to the other side? It's actually normal for all of us. So don't worry about it. If you feel that you're tottering on one side and you're perfect on the other, it's natural. Okay? And let's switch. So I'm sure those of you who've been following this program, you know that when you're doing balancing, you're actually engaging your core, and that's great for core strengthening. And why am I so worried about your core? Well, your baby is right there, isn't it? And your abdomen is holding it, your back is holding it. So we get all sorts of strain in these areas. And if we do some core strengthening, it can help recover faster. and switch. One more time. Let's go. I promised you a lot of core and labor work, right? So that's what we are doing today. Awesome. And let's switch for the last time. Just switch. Are you feeling adventurous? You can hold that hand out there and pull that leg a little bit behind. Doesn't that feel so super graceful? Yes. And release. Inhale, exhale. All right. Now, for your next balancing act, all you're going to do is grab a hold of that foot and bring it up and place it on your inner thigh. So here goes. Place it on your inner thigh. Ready? Perfect. Hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's awesome. And we release. And we're going to try this on the other side as well. Okay? So let's try it. I'm not so great on my right foot, but nevertheless, let's give it a good shot and hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release. Awesome. That's perfect. Okay? Great. So now what we're going to do next, we're going to do what we call the figure 4 stretch. So it's great for your quadriceps, it's great for your glutes, and it's also a little bit of balancing, right? So what does it look like? You're going to take one leg, place it on top of your knee, kind of squat, and do this. Do I look like a 4? I'm sure I do. And hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. That's awesome. Let's try it one more time for the other side. So grab a hold of that foot, place it on your knee, right here, just above your knee. Squat a little bit, and there you go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release. Okay, great. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That's perfect, right? So if you have your bottle of water and you'd like to grab a quick sip, that would be great, because then we move into some hardcore workout, right? So your hardcore workout is going to make you squat. It's going to make you do some lunges. It will make you do some, duck walks, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through all of your different labor exercises. And here's the good news. We are going to do each exercise 3 times. Did I say 3 times? Yeah, I mean, when I say 3 times, I actually mean 3 sets. And each set is actually 16 counts. Okay? All right, so let's get started. Our legs are really, really wide apart. You know the position by now. I'm sure you're really comfortable with it. Make sure your toes are pointing out and your back is tall and straight. And we are going to do 2 sets at 16 counts. And then we're going to repeat that another 2 times. Ready? Let's go. Down and up. By now you're a pro. Make sure your knees are soft. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax, shake that leg out. So I'm not mean. I'm going to actually give you a little break between the counts so that you can catch your breath. You can walk around a little bit. So always do a active recovery. Don't do a passive recovery, right? So when you're working out, and if you just stop and go like, can't do this anymore, that's passive recovery, right? But if you find that I'm not able to complete that particular set of counts, no problem. You can stop on your counts, but just keep moving. Keep moving. So that's an active recovery. So you catch your breath and you go back to your exercise, which is the squats. So legs nice and wide apart, toes pointing out, and we're back to our 16 counts. Ready? Let's go. Down and up. 2, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,